Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to increase the Google Chrome web browser download speed. So this should be a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial, and we're going to hop right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser. So however you normally would open up Google Chrome is fine. We're just going to open it up here. And you want to go up to the top right corner, and at the time of this recording it's three dots on top of each other. You want to left click on that to open up the more settings or more options view. And then you want to left click on the settings button at the bottom. And now once you're on this screen, you want to scroll down and then left click on the advanced to drop down more options at the bottom. Now underneath privacy and security, you want to deselect the use a web service to help resolve navigation errors. So if this is toggled to the right, you want to left click inside of it once to turn it off, as well as user prediction service to help complete search and URLs typed into the address bar. And then also if you scroll down, send a do not track request with your browser traffic. You want to turn that to the on position, so just toggle it one time and you want to select confirm, and this will move it to the on position. And you also want to scroll down here until you get to proxy settings or open proxy settings. You want to left click on the LAN setting button right down here, and you want to make sure it's checkmarked to automatically detect settings. Click on OK, apply OK. And I would recommend closing out of the web browser, restart the browser, and hopefully your download speed has improved a little bit. Now, it has worked for me. I noticed that Google Chrome is a little bit faster, but you guys are more than welcome to tweak with the settings. And if you ever wanted to go back and change something to how it was, you guys saw how simple it was. You are more than welcome to restore it. And you can even see at the bottom of this screen, there's a reset option to restore settings to their original defaults. So if you really messed up, you can always restore it back. So very nice and easy tutorial, and hopefully it was of use to you guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I look forward to catching you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.